This park is beautiful today. I love how green everything looks after the rain.
Yes, the air feels so fresh. I always feel calm when I come here.
Same. So, what do you usually do on Sundays?
Sundays are my recharge days. I usually read, paint a little, or listen to music. Sometimes I go for a long walk like this. What about you?
I love slow Sundays too. I usually cook something new, maybe try a recipe I saw online. And if I'm feeling energetic, I play football with my neighbors.
Oh, I didn't know you play football. That's cool. How often do you play?
Just once or twice a week. It's more for fun. I'm not a professional or anything.
Still, that's great. Sports keep you active. Do you play in a team?
Yeah, a casual team. All local guys. We don't keep score, just enjoy the game. What kind of painting do you do?
Mostly watercolors. I like painting nature, flowers, trees, skies. It helps me relax.
That sounds so peaceful. Have you ever taken a painting class?
No, I just learned from YouTube and practice. I don't think I'm very good, but I enjoy it.
Enjoyment is the key. I think hobbies should make us feel happy, not perfect.
Exactly. What else do you like doing in your free time?
I've also started learning guitar. I can play a few basic songs now.
Wow, that's impressive. I always wanted to learn an instrument.
You should try. It's fun and frustrating sometimes, but when a song comes together, it's worth it.
I might. Do you sing too?
Only when I'm alone. What kind of music do you like?
Bit of everything. Soft rock, indie, sometimes classical when I paint. And you?
Same. I like calm music, something that matches the mood. I also listen to podcasts while cooking.
Really? I've just started listening to English podcasts to improve my vocabulary.
That's a great habit. Maybe we should start a hobby club one day. Music, books, games, and more.
That would be fun. Oh, by the way, do you play any board games?
Yes, I love chess and Uno. What about you?
Same. Let's play next time you come over.
Deal. This conversation makes me realize we all have interesting hobbies. Talking about them is such a good way to connect.
Totally agree. And it's great English practice too.
So, what's one hobby you want to try but haven't yet?
Dancing. I'd love to learn salsa or hip hop. And you?
Horse riding. I've never tried, but it looks fun in movies.
That's such a unique choice. You should try it someday.
Let's make a list of hobbies to try this year. New hobbies equals new experiences.
Deal. Now let's go get some ice cream. That's my favorite Sunday treat.
Eating sweet things.
That's a universal hobby.